Most developers overuse GSAP timelines and it makes their animation code longer and harder to maintain. Today I will show you when timelines are correct and when keyframes are much better. Let's say you want a button wiggle animation. A lot of developers do it using a timeline like this. And yes, this works, but this feels wrong. We are writing 4 steps just to describe one motion. This is where keyframes shine. Look how much cleaner this is. Instead of writing steps, we describe the motion path. We can say timelines describe sequence, keyframes describe motion. The big question, so if keyframes are shorter, why do timelines even exist? Because animation actually has 2 different problems to solve. Problem 1, the story or timeline. Imagine an arrow intro animation. First the title appears, then the card slides in, then the bottom slides in. This is storytelling. We care about what happens first, next, and last. This is perfect for timelines. Timeline equal when things happen. Problem 2, the motion keyframes. Let's say we want our button to wiggle, not slide. But how should the button move? Wiggle left, right, left, back. This is motion design and it's perfect case to use keyframes. Keyframes equal how things move. In real project, to use both together. A timeline control the story, keyframes control the motion. So as a recap, if you think what happens first, then next, use timeline. If you think how should this move, use keyframes. This simple mental model will make your GSAP code much cleaner. If you enjoyed learning animation and front-end development, subscribe for videos like this.